I want to ask you about that fireplace.
Oh, yeah.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yes, go ahead and ask
tell
away.
me a little bit about that. And of course, like everybody else, anything you can tell us about price on that?
Yeah,
It's gorgeous.
that can range. That's, I think, 72 inches wide by about 18 inches tall. That is a gas fireplace. It's a ventless, so you do have to bring some outside air in. And that ranges the actual cost from about $3,500 up to $5,500. I think it was I forgot what the brand was, but they're on the internet and you can get them at local building suppliers. So that does have gas. It has LED lighting in there, and it just it does throw off heat. And that wall of stone is actually a thin veneer, so the weight, that's just a typical wall. It's actually represents tile, and the aesthetics of these are just incredible. You can go ahead and put your TV over it. Of course, they didn't want to do this on this one, but just a great product. And we're seeing more and more of these linear fireplaces that are efficient in homes today, Donna.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That is beautiful out there.
Yeah.
That just adds so much to that whole room to have that wall. And I would have never guessed it was a veneer, but that's totally the way to do it, because why would you want it to be that heavy?
Exactly.
But yeah, if I had something like that, I'd be outside all the time.
Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.